Hello?
Hello, welcome to the Guiding Light. How can I help you?
Is this Mama Sam from the Guiding Light?
Yes, I do spiritual readings.
Thank God I got you.
Who's this, Pinky?
Mama Sam, this is Pinky.
Ah, how you doing? So what can I do for you today, Pinky?
I got so much to tell you.
Let's hear what's going on.
Listen, my man ain't acting right. He's out there almost every fucking night.
Really? Oh.
Screwing different bitches from the strip club.
So what do you plan on doing then? Are you just going to sit down and let this bitch take your man? Are you just going to sit down?
Mama Sam, I need you to help. Stop this shit. Stop this shit.
You're damn right, we're not going to put up with it. I've got just the thing for you, Pinky. Just the thing for you.
Really?
And he's going to forget all about her stinkers. All about her stinkers.
So you got the spiritual bath? Ooh. And the body wash? I have one of those. I heard you do powerful manifestation candles. I need this bitch to leave my man alone, and I need that man at home with me. What you got?
Pinky, Mama Sam got it under control. Yeah, I'm shaking it up now for you. I got the spiritual power of love. Spiritual bath. Girl, you pour this in your bath from head to toe, and he will be yours. Okay? I am telling you. I'm not asking you. I am telling you. I also got the African Night Power Body Wash. Lather up, honey. I am telling you, it works like magic. We're going to manifest your man right back in your life, Pinky. Stop worrying. Mama Sam got you. We're going to fuck that bitch up. Trust me. You ain't even going to want to see her. Okay?
Power of love? Sounds good, sounds good. I hear you're one of the best. Yeah. Some of my friends have been telling me that you do spiritual readings too.
Yes, Pinky, I do spiritual reading as well, honey. And it depends on how deep you want to go. We can do 4 cards, 6 cards, 9, 12, even 18. Yeah.
You do life coaching too. Spiritual life coaching, I need that. My life is all fucked up right now. Let me tell you, Mama Sam, I need help. I'm a hot mess. Pinky is a hot mess right now.
Make me laugh. You think you was a hot mess? Mama Sam was a hot mess. You know how many times I've been married? 4 times. 4 times too fucking many. I got you. I got the experience. I got the experience. I have gone through so much shit. But I am the overcomer. I overcome everything. And this is why I am sharing my gifts and helping to empower and embrace everybody and show them, listen, no matter how hard it is, Pinky, you will overcome like me. Look at me now. Look at God.
You gonna book a couple of sessions for me? How much for 3 sessions? $68.88. That's not bad. For 3 sessions? Wow. Well, my money right now. Can I break it down in installments?
Yes, you can. Yeah?
I can? Book me. Book me, please. Okay, I'm going to tell you what I need right now. I need the life coaching sessions. I need the manifestation candles. I need the manifestation body wash. And I need the spiritual baths.
Pinky, Mama Sam, I'm going to hook you up. You feeling good? Okay.